So today I'm going to be trying this new TikTok hack. And we're going to see if this laundry detergent is good and will last for 1 year. So what we're starting out with is Ariel with Downy. And this is 105 ounces. So we're going to pour that in. Make sure you get all of that out. Definitely be mindful of your fumes. So what I'm also going to add in is some Oxi-clean. I like the odor blaster. And I'm going to tell you, definitely save this because it will come into handy. And this is the 3 pound of Oxi-clean. Now I'm going to do this, one of these now, but I have 2. Have the Purex Crystals. Definitely want it to smell good. Fabulously fresh. Now we want to throw in some on the hammer. And this is your super washing soda. Need some help with the arm and hammer here. Pour this in there. And I pour like half here. Yes, definitely these fumes. See, they're moving around. Got people sneezing in the back. So definitely be careful with the fumes. Now, they didn't have 2 Oxi-cleans, which I usually would do. But I did, gonna try this Gain, Ultra Gain, aroma boosting. Put that in there. The aroma getting ya? Another one. Like I said, you definitely want to keep these. These will definitely come in handy. Now, babe, you got a grater over there?
A what?
A grater. And the reason I asked for a grater, because I do have the Zote white soap, safe for delicate clothes. So this is a washing soap. So I heard a lot of things about people saying, oh, you don't want to use soap because it does leave residue on your clothes. Well, this is a washing soap. So you should not have that issue with this product here. So, and I just take my grater and I grate it on in. Take a little arm power with you. And if you can just smell it already. Stop that right here, and I'm gonna finish. But what I want to do, I'm gonna start breaking up the little bitty clumps that's in here. And I'm pressing down to make sure there are no clumps, lumps, and bruises. Everything mixed up in here. And as I said, this smells amazing. And those that ask, is it HE for high efficiency washers? Very HE safe. Doesn't produce a lot of suds. Again, it smells amazing. And now we're going to put some more of this soap in there. My little rubber piece done came on. Some baking soda. I'm pressing down just a little bitty clumps that's there. I'm gonna mix that soap flakes around. And lastly, remember I said we had that second crystal beads. We gotta put that one in there. Again, you want to mix that all up from the products on the bottom, bringing them to the top. Remember that blue? Yeah, you're going to bring that all to the top. And there you have it. Laundry detergent. Should last a year. Definitely should clean and smell those clothes. And what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in a bag. Aroma. To top it off. But definitely. Thank you for watching.